everyone, Mary and Tim here of the Knots Network at the Universal Studios Hollywood. Okay, so first we went to Knots, and then we saw all the school buses with all the kids, and we're like, because we have to go later tonight. We're gonna do some coverage for you guys of a brand new show, DJ Lance.
I hear Shaz.
We do hear saws, but first we're like, you know what? Let's stop by Universal because we love Universal. There's tons of like HHN goodness happening right now. Oh, it's in action right now. Yes.
I hear Shaz.
Look at.
They're really good.
Look at. So good. This is the good stuff. He's like, yeah. He got that piece of wood and he slammed it down.
Over there.
Oh yeah, this is some good stuff. Some good stuff. And then look at, there's a little meeting going on right there. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the AV techs up here. We're gonna wire this maze up. But yeah, the progress is looking really, really good down here for these two mazes. This looks like it might be a house, because look at that window. That looks like a window for a house. Like, I don't mean like house as in like Orlando, Florida terms, like, oh, it's a haunted house. I mean like, no, this maze looks like it's supposed to be a house. Well, we know that's legit a house over there. Oh, look at that guy, he has a sword. Yeah! He's like, it's a hint. That is a hint to what this year's HHN's gonna be. That maze, he's like, yes, I got a sword. And it has some blood on it. All right. Oh, gosh. All right, and then these guys are chit-chatting and laughing it up. They're like, hey, these guys up in Curious George don't know what this maze is. We do, though. Ha. You know, you guys, my commentary is just for the silliness. I really don't know what these people were thinking. Look at some more construction happening down there. Let's take a closer look at this guy playing with that sword. That's a big sword, dude. And then, oh, now they're pointing at us. Hi. Right, yes, this is looking good. I am super excited for HHN. We already know one maze has been confirmed, which is the Mummy meets Wolfman meets Dracula. Oh shoot, it's really zoomed in there. So yeah, that's the confirmed maze so far. And I believe, according to some people, I think I'm probably wrong, that's gonna probably go lower lot where Clowns 3D was at one point. I'm probably wrong where the Mummy queue is. I'm probably wrong, but that's where some people think that maze is gonna go. So yeah, good job HHN build crew. This is looking really good. The excitement is real. Hi! They're like, no. Look it, it's a well.
It's a well. That's it.
But yeah, it's looking good, you guys. Get out. They're doing a lot of work here for the new Twosomes Chocolate Emporium. This is gonna be good, you guys. Wow. We fortunately were able to try Twosomes in Orlando, Florida last October. Wow. It's looking good, build team. Look at that. Looks good. We can't wait for this to open up.
The tubes, like a smokestack.
Yeah, the smokestacks. Look at that. So it's like, I think that's the word. It's gonna be cool, you guys. It's super themed, super fun, super steampunk, so yeah. Ooh, and there's gonna be a Universal annual pass holder night. Tonight there's gonna be a Universal annual pass holder party for annual pass holders. We're so excited. We totally want to go. We're gonna actually, before that, we're gonna be coming back for Tim's birthday on the 25th of this month. And then on that June 9th, because it's open till 12. We're hoping to maybe catch a midnight showing. We're gonna look into it here at the Universal Cinema for that new Jurassic World movie. So yeah, it's gonna be good times, guys. It looks like Production Central is in construction right now, so we'll see another visit when we come back, when it's finished with its construction, how it looks like inside. Ooh, look at that. It's ready for Jurassic World. Ooh. The globe is being refurbed right now. They're getting it ready for summer. It's the Universal Studios Hollywood. We're excited to enter and experience the magic of the movies. Yes! But yes, there is construction happening inside of the studio store. Uh-oh, he's excited. What did he see? Oh, her name's Daisy, right? She's cute. The Secrets of Dumbledore. Stuff.
Look at it.
You're so funny. It looks like they're getting ready for their grad night here. Grad bash. Grad bash. This guy, he's like, I am painting an HHN maze with the facade bells of La Llorona. Yes. Look at. Well, who do my eyes see? It is Dracula and Frankenstein's monster.
No Frankenstein.
No Frankenstein.
No Frankenstein. Yeah, but it was more about the bride, not you. You were dead, right? Remember? I love it.
I love the monsters so much. Oh, look at this. This is so good. Hey, he's like jamming out on his earbuds, painting the monster maze. Oh, there we go. I got it to flip. I have the worst time trying to get this thing to flip. But yes, I love the monsters and the horror nights mazes and all that jazz. Universal's so much fun. I love it here. Where to next, Tim?
Oh yeah, we're trying to go to that store to see if there's some merch.
We're gonna go find that new Halloween Horror Nights at the Universal Studios Hollywood merch with Frankenstein. Oh, no, with the Wolfman, the Mummy, and Dracula. Now, just my 2 cents. They say this is the first time that the 3 of those have been in a maze together, but House of Horrors? Question mark? I don't know.
Yeah, this is production.
I am not. I don't know everything, but I'm pretty sure they've been in a maze together at the House of Horrors. Oh, here we go. Hold on. Flip. You're gonna see my struggle right now. Flip. Production Central. We're on the hunt for HHN merch. There it is. The Universal Studios Halloween Horror Nights featuring the Universal monsters. I don't know, where's the ornaments? Are they sold out already? So we're gonna do The Simpsons. And then Tim says he's hungry. I'm hungry too.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Find it first.
Yeah. What do you want to eat? What do you think? What do you want to eat?
I'm not sure. There's so many options.
There are so many options. It's a photo op for grad night, you guys. It's Back to the Future. It says Alucard Trading Company. Now, I read online, so there's a really smart people who are just like, you know, on it with HHN stuff. Somebody pointed out that Alucard is an acronym for, if you mix up the letters, it says Dracula Trading Company. So yes, that'd be cool if this is the spot for that classic Monsters maze. And then there is some Nintendo World Build. Look at that. That's so exciting. I can't wait for the Mario Kart ride. It's gonna be so much fun. Look at, they're working on it right now, right this second. I know. Yes.
That's a big ride building, dog. So the entrance to the ride is actually Bowser's Castle, which is like that purple-looking structure in the middle there.
Yes.
That's just cover. I'm sure that's not really what the finishing cover is.
No. Look at, and there's the clouds.
Yeah, those are supposed to move back and forth.
That's so cool.
That's where the Yoshi ride would be if we were to get that.
Yoshi.
Looks like we're not getting that.
No, more rides.
I know, we need more rides.
We need more rides.
We need
But
more
yes,
rides out here.
HHN, 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 HHN. Closer look at Super Nintendo World Land. It's stuff like that. HHN. Look at, and they're getting ready for Jurassic World. Yeah. Jurassic World. And then Piranha Plant. Piranha Plant. I know, we're so excited.
I wanted to uncover it so bad.
Yes, uncover Piranha Plant. We need Piranha Plant action in our lives. We're so beyond excited. We can't wait. Optimus Prime. And nice work, freedom fighters. Already. Whoop, 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 whoop. I know. We can see the warp pipe. Nice work,
has made
freedom
this solemn
fighters.
promise. We refuse to let the fate of our planet become the fate of your own.
The Allspark.
Assigned to evacuate human troops from harm's way.
It looks like Universal here still accepts cash for their penny machine. We're gonna have lunch at Cocina Mexicana. Yeah! I'm sorry if I butchered that pronunciation. Ooh, seasonal concoctions. Ooh.
Drinks that they have now.
Ooh.
Spiked horchata.
Oh yeah, I said this one looks good, but without the straw.
Good right here. Rice milk, almond milk, cinnamon.
Tim and I are looking at the menu. It looks so good.
nachos look good too.
I know. Look at that. Nachos. We're gonna get. They have sopes. Taco. We're gonna get the taco platter for sure. They also have taco salad. They have margaritas. They have churros. They have tortilla chips and dip. They have chamoy pineapple margaritas. Yeah. My goodness, they're making the food. I know the glare's bad, you guys, but they're just trust me. They're making. Ooh! This is our first time trying Cocina Mexicana. This is Waterworld.
Sorry.
It's okay. We're waiting for our
about our
food.
jerseys earlier.
Yeah.
But yeah, we got baseball jerseys with their logo on it and our favorite numbers and our names and stuff. Yeah.
He feels like a baseball player. They have Tapatio. Ooh, I like that Tapatio.
Totally good.
Good stuff. Like animal
Order
actors just
number
got out.
1-37 is now ready at the pickup window.
We're just waiting.
Order number 4.
Food. I got carnitas and Tim got carne asada. We both got taco plates. Yum yum. We're so excited to dig in.
How much do you guys want to bet they're gonna bring Walking Dead back?
I'm gonna bet a lot that they're gonna bring little Super Nintendo World backpacks. $65. Ooh, pins, you guys. Pins. Yes. Wait, there's more pins over here. Yes, Mario Kart pins. You guys know that I have a thing for pins. Yes, they are $14 a piece for these pins. And then over here, let's see, this guy is $8. This guy is $8. This guy, $11. It's because if Bullet Bill shoots, he goes pew. Oh, there it is. Pew. Okay, is this guy? Oh, this one's like, this has texture. $9. This guy, $9. Tim's trying to get my attention.
They only have Luigi hats.
Luigi's.
And Player 2 hats. They're like out.
Oh, look at that! Lanyard with the pouch, and they have lanyards now. That's cool. Look at more pins! Yikes, guys, this is dangerous for me. Wow, 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 wow. I might get the wow, wow. Oh, there's Bowser, but wow, 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 wow. Yeah. Remember, guys, there was baby Bowser Birch. Oh, look at him. Look at him. He's so cute. Baby Bowser. It looks like it's changed since the last time we've been here. They either sold out of stuff or got more stuff and then just replaced the stuff and yeah, stuff. Monroe is out and about, taking all the glamorous photos with the peoples.
You know, you're 12 now. Congratulations. You only have one more year to be on the kids menu at a restaurant, so use that to your advantage.
We are in the wizarding world of Harry Potter to get our Butterbeer. Butterbeer, our favorite. It's frozen Butterbeer. We like frozen Butterbeer. Here with our ice cold beverages, delicious Butterbeer. Ah, Butterbeer. The last time we had Butterbeer was over in Universal Studios Orlando diagonally. We are in the new Production Central store, and look at Tim. Show them. Show the peoples. It's a Halloween Horror Night. Mummy, Wolfman, and Dracula ornament. Yes, so excited for Halloween Horror Nights. And this ornament, thank you Universal for making an ornament. Because guess what? It's gonna go up on our Halloween tree. I'm gonna insert a clip here right now. Every Halloween season, Timothy and I, we put up a Halloween tree, and honestly, we don't have any ornaments from haunted attractions. So the HHN one will be our first, and we are so happy. Oh yeah, these are cool. The figures. Oh yeah, that sweatshirt, it's cool. Yeah. It's everything Universal Monsters is cool. Look, it's Le Phantom of the Opera. But it's not the Lon Chaney version. But they all look a little different, to be honest. Yeah, the new Production Central here in City Walk looks pretty cool. They have tank tops. Well, because summer is coming. Oh, look, did you see this? It's a shark fanny pack. Tim's like, oh. Nice. And oh, look at these pins. Tim, look at these pins. They look so cool. Amity Island Shark Tours. Yes.
Spend $1 million.
Yes, spend $1 million. Okay, guys, we got the HHN ornament and other goodies here at City Walk, and we're on our way out. We're on our way to go to Knott's Berry Farm to get some coverage for you guys. So we'll see you in the next video. And I'd like to give a huge shout out to our amazing Patreon supporters, Albert, Tom, and Tucker Time. Thank you all so much for watching. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.